Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to fund your Squareme Dollar Card for online payments. And first, what is Squareme? Squareme is basically a social payment platform created to meet the financial needs of a wide range of users. So it's just an app for you to transfer, to make payments online, to buy airtime, data and everything. So let's get straight to it. And here is my PalmPay account. I want to show you the receipt of a payment I made to my Squareme account. So as you can see, I have been credited. I have seen the exact amount I have deposited. So now let us click on the cards button. So let's click on get now, and here it is explaining to us, it is letting us know that we need the minimum amount of $10 to create our card, whereby $2 will be deducted for the card creation fee and the rest will be sent to our dollar card. So let us click on proceed, and here it is asking for my address, and it says that the address you enter here will be attached to the virtual card we create for you. So they want my information to be attached to my virtual card. So let me input my information very quickly. So after the input, here is it. Here is the dollar card. It has been created. After I click on the check status button, that is it. This is what it looks like. I have $8 in my dollar card right now. So your card is fully ready for whatever you want to use it for, to pay for Netflix subscription, to order online, maybe AliExpress or Jumia or whatever. It is fully ready. Just need to take the card details and input it to whatever website you want to use it for. This is what it will take you to create your virtual card on Squareme app. So this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel so that I can get updates like this. God bless you.